In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a payment receipt template design in Microsoft Word. If you need a simple payment or cash receipt for recording transactions, you can create a clean and organized receipt template directly in Microsoft Word. This can be useful for small businesses, personal records, services, or other situations where you need a basic payment receipt. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Start by adding the title of your receipt at the top of the page. Type payment receipt and position it in the center. You can make the title bold and increase the font size so it is easy to identify. Next, add the basic information that you want to include on the receipt. This can include the receipt number, date, customer name, and other relevant details. After adding the basic information, create a table for the payment details. Go to the Insert tab and select Table. Choose the number of rows and columns you need for your receipt. Inside the table, add headings such as description, quantity, amount, and total. Then enter the payment information in the appropriate cells. You can adjust the width of the columns so that the information fits neatly. You can also make the headings bold to make the different sections easier to read. Next, add a section for the total amount paid. Place the total where it is easy to see and make the amount stand out using bold text or a larger font size. You can also include additional receipt information, such as the payment method, received by, or a space for a signature, depending on what your receipt needs. Once the main information has been added, review the table and make sure the text is properly aligned. Adjust the spacing and column sizes so the receipt has a clean and professional appearance. You can also add a simple border around the receipt or use the table borders to separate different sections. Keep the design simple so the important payment information remains easy to read. After completing the receipt, review all of the information carefully. Check the receipt number, date, customer details, payment description, and total amount to make sure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied with the design, save the document as a Word file. You can then use this document as a reusable payment receipt template and update the information whenever you need to create another receipt. And that's how you can create a simple payment receipt or cash receipt template design in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,